In today's video, I'm going to show you how to park domains in your Namecheap account step by step. This is a quick and useful process if you want to point a domain to a parked page while you decide what to do with it later. It's also a simple way to keep your domain active and reserved without connecting it to a full website yet. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, look for the domain list option in the left-hand menu or in the dashboard navigation. Click on domain list to view all of the domains connected to your account. Now find the domain that you want to park. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one. This is important because the next steps will apply to the domain you choose. Once you've found it, click the Manage button next to that domain. Inside the domain settings, look for the Nameservers section. Here, you want to make sure that Namecheap BasicDNS is selected. This is the setting that allows Namecheap's default parking and DNS features to work properly. If the domain is using custom nameservers or another provider, you'll need to switch it to Namecheap BasicDNS before parking will work correctly. After confirming the nameservers, scroll down to the Other Domain Settings section. This is where Namecheap keeps some of the extra options for your domain. Look for the parking option in this area. Depending on your account layout, it may be labeled clearly as domain parking. Once you find it, turn on the domain parking setting. This tells Namecheap to park the domain and display its parked domain page instead of trying to connect it to a live website. After enabling it, make sure to save any changes if Namecheap prompts you to do so. Now all that's left to do is wait for the changes to take effect. DNS and domain settings can take a little time to update, so don't worry if you don't see the parked page immediately. In many cases it updates fairly quickly, but sometimes it can take a bit longer depending on propagation and account processing. And that's it, your domain is now parked in Namecheap. This is a great option if you're holding a domain for future use, building a portfolio, or just want to keep it reserved while you plan your next project. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.